This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doying-Main. Photos added. Open house Sunday 7/24, 1 to 4 p.m. Come see. Great location. Nice 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage pool home. Very comfortable floor plan. Great for entertaining. Kitchen window over the sink opens to large, covered patio and screened pool area. City water and sewer. Sprinkler system on city water. Hurricane garage door. Pool was resurfaced in 2010. New pool equipment 2014. New pool pump/motor. New screens in 2016. Home has crown molding and textured ceilings. AC 4 years old, H2O heater 2.5 years old. Washer/dryer convey. Microwave does not convey. Ice maker and refrigerator does not work. Refrigerator in garage conveys if buyer wants it. Marble in main living areas. Carpet in bedrooms. For more information, review the details below or contact Doying-Main at 954-693-0100.